How to activate QLink Wireless eSIM. Before we start, you can check out my mobile eSIM by simply clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, you need to locate your eSIM information in the members area under My Lines or through your email that you just need to scan from your device. This process is specifically for Android users. Otherwise, you need to locate eSIM by simply searching for it in the search bar, or you can simply go for mobile network. Click on it and then click on add eSIM. Then you just need to click on the next on the bottom right, and then you just need to scan the QR code, or if you are switching from a physical SIM card to an eSIM, it's up to you. After scanning the QR code, simply click on the download and wait for it to complete its downloading process. Now simply click on the three dots and then tap on enable, and you have successfully enabled your QLink Wireless eSIM.